Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video we're doing some maintenance on the car, which include an oil change, air filter replacement and the cabin filter replacement. Let's get started. So first I'm gonna go under the car and find a bolt on the oil pan, and let's loosen it. Loosen the bolt, and I have this can. This was a easy one. So now I'm gonna screw it. Okay. Loosen the oil cap for the better flow. So while the oil is flowing, uh, let's get the easiest part, the air filter change. Uh, oh, hey, this is there's lots of dirt in it. Uh, so this is the new one. This is much better. Just place it here. Okay, just clip on back and it's done. We need to find the oil filter. I'm gonna show you. So the oil filter is back on the engine in the, I don't know, I can show you, under the manifold, intake manifold. So this is a very stupid place to, this is a very stupid place to um, an oil filter, but this is a German car, so yeah, he liked the stupid places. So I have three type of oil filter changing tool. I don't know which one gonna be work on this car. I like to use this one. This is my favorite tool, but sometimes I need to use that or that. So I don't know which way is the better to. There is small places everywhere under the car. It's the transmission mount. So I think I need to try loosen it from this way. There is a water hose in here, some electric cable. Yeah, this is a very stupid place. I don't know. I'm work some German car, and I think this is in the top 5 stupid place, and where you can find an oil filter. I hope the man who changed the previous doesn't torquing down the filter so much, because that's gonna be a problem. Okay. I think I loosen it. And now I want to try with my hands. Okay. And I think, okay. So, finally. So there is the new filter. Okay. Someone say don't prefill the filter. I like to prefill the filter a little bit, not so much, just a little. Of course, you need some oil on the ring too. So I'm gonna just a little bit, and oil. Let's get oil to the ring. So put back the oil filter. So if you install an oil filter, you need just tighten with your hand. You don't need any tool. Just with your hand, and this is gonna be enough to your filter. So now we need to put back the screw. I'm gonna use with a new screw with new washer. You need to change the washer every oil change, and I like to change the bolt in every 4 or 5 oil change. Yeah, so let's put back the bolt and fill with new oil the car. I'm torquing down the bolt. This is a very important step in an oil change, because if you don't put back the bolt in the pan, you never you can't you never can fill up the engine oil, of course. Put back the cap. Clean a little bit. Okay. And now I'm gonna wait about 5 minutes and start the engine about and a half a minute to circulate the oil, and after I'm wait 10 minutes and check the oil level. So while I'm waiting, I'm gonna change the cabin filter. Cabin filter is under in this plastic. To loosen this. So this was disgusting too. So this is the new air filter. Always there is a sign where the where is the air flowing, and there is so here. So you need to put it back this way, because if you put it back this way, I don't know what's happening, but yeah, you need to put back with the right with the airflow. So that's it.